iPhone 8 Plus Battery Replacement Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, Phillips screwdriver, iPhone Pentalobe Screwdriver, tri-point screwdriver, display assembly adhesive, battery adhesive. Power down your Apple iPhone 8 Plus phone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm Pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Apply some heat and then use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the opening tool, slice through the adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone 8 Plus display assembly from the rear case. Just like the iPhone 7 Plus, it opens to the side. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables along the middle right side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws, securing the bracket that covers the battery, display, and home button cables. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the bracket out of the way, pry the cables up from the logic board. Remove the following 2 tri-point screws that secure the bracket covering the upper component display cable. Disconnect the cable and free the iPhone 8 Plus display assembly from the phone. Locate the 4 peel-to-remove adhesive tabs, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom of the iPhone 8 Plus battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone 8 Plus. Keep pulling till they come out from between the battery and the rear case. With the adhesive removed, the 2691 mAh iPhone 8 Plus battery springs free effortlessly. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.